Hello everyone, welcome back to Key Property Rwanda. Today we are going to tour this beautiful house here in Kicukiro, Kagarama, which is 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, kitchen, dining area, living room, and also very big parking space. And you can get this beautiful house only on 320 million random francs with a slight of negotiation. Let's see what this beautiful house has. And of course, we have to show you our beautiful neighborhood. As you can see, this is where our house is. And of course, we have 2 houses. You can choose this one also, or even this one, because they are also similar. They are the same price. Let me show you inside. So from the gate, this is our parking space, which is quite spacious. You can park up to 3 cars or even 4 if they are parked very well. As you can see, it's quite very big. And on this side, we have one of the staircases that goes to the house. And also here we have another pair of staircases that goes to our house. Here we have a very beautiful garden where you can put different plants, flowers, or even sit, and then you will, have a great time with your family. Let's go up and I'll show you how it is. So on this side, we have a way that goes to the back side. And also here we have another part of the garden that you can put some flowers here and it will look nice. You can even sit here and enjoy the view of this beautiful neighborhood. So let's go inside and I'll show you what we have. On this side, we have this beautiful terrace that goes all the way on that side. And from there, you come this way and here we have our main entrance and another entrance, but let's use this one to our living room. This is our living room, which is really big, and you can fit some seats here that are beautiful. And you can also put your TV stand on this side. As you can see, we have sockets where you can put your TV stand. We have a very beautiful ceiling design, as you can see. And here we have our dining area where you can fit a very big table for a big family. And from here it goes outside. On this side we have a door that comes outside of our house, as you can see. And we have a very big windows and doors that brings in enough natural light. So from here we come to the kitchen, which is on this side. Welcome to our kitchen. From this side we have a very nice countertop where you can put the food and serve the people who are sitting in the dining area. And also this is how our kitchen is. Here you can put your cooking stove and you can do the cooking from that side. And on this side we have where you can wash your dishes and all of that. And we have enough cabinets where you can put dishes, food, and everything you use in the kitchen. On this side is where you can put your fridge, and it will be very nice. So from here it comes out to our backside area, which is quite big. If you have kids, they can be playing here and then they will have a great time. So as you can see here, we have different rooms, and there are bathrooms, store, housekeeper's place, and outside kitchen on this side. This one can be used as a store of outside. So here we have another area where you can wash different things from this sink, and also we have where you can hang your clothes on this side. So let's go back inside and see how it is. So on this side we have the guest bathroom that can be used as someone who is coming to visit for a short time. And from there we come to another bedroom here on this floor. So as you can see, this is how our bedroom is, which is quite big, and it also has a very big window that goes outside, and you can put a bed on this side. Let me show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom of this beautiful bedroom, and it also has 2 shower heads on this side, a toilet seat, a sink on this side, and a very nice mirror on this side. So we are going to go upstairs and see the remaining 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Come with me. This is our staircase that goes up to the rest of the house. And on this side we have a big area that can be used as a family lounge. You can put some seats here, and then you will sit here and talk to your family member. This one can be used as a family lounge. And from here we have two bedrooms, this one and also this one. So let's check this one first. Come with me. So this is the second bedroom of our house. As you can see, this is how it is. You can use this one as your kids' bedroom, and you can put a bed here, and we have a great time. This bedroom also have a balcony on this side that someone can come outside and enjoy the area. From here, we are going to show you the bathroom of this bedroom, which is on this side. Come with me. So this is how the bathroom is. Here is where to take a shower, a sink on this side with a mirror, and also a toilet seat on this side. Let me show you the remaining two bedrooms. Welcome to the third bedroom, which is this one, and it's quite nice. As you can see, this is how it is. You can put a bed here, and then we have a great time. And it also have its own balcony on this side. You can open this door and go outside. Let me show you the bathroom of this bedroom. Here comes the bathroom. So this is how the bathroom is. It's quite nice. This is where to take a shower, a toilet seat, a sink, and also a mirror. So we've seen three bedrooms of the house. Now we are going to see one and only master bedroom of this house. Come with me. Welcome to our master bedroom. So as you enter our master bedroom, you come to this walk-in closet area where you can put clothes and all of that. And also here we have one of the big bathroom here in this house, which is the master bedroom's bathroom. Here is where you can take your shower from. And here we have a very nice sink with cabinets here down here, and also a mirror with a cabinet of itself. And also here we have a toilet seat on this side. So let's check the bedroom and see how it is. And here comes our master bedroom. As you can see, it's quite big. You can put a bed here. We have a very big windows that brings in natural light. And from here, you can put a TV here, which where we have the TV socket and all of that in case you don't want to go downstairs. And you have a very nice ceiling. So from here, the bedroom will come to this nice balcony on this side. Come with me. As you can see, you can enjoy the view of this beautiful neighborhood here in Kicukiro, Kagarama from your master bedroom's balcony. Look at the view. It's quite beautiful. I mean, if you are living here, you will have a very great time. So from here, we are going to go this way. That brings us back to our family lounge. Come with me. You can see from this area, you come all the way to our family lounge. So the family members can also enjoy the view of the neighborhood without going to the master bedroom. Yes, it's quite beautiful. So we are done with the tour of this beautiful house here in Kicukiro, Kagarama, which is 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, dining area, living space, and also kitchen. And it's only on 320 million Rwandan francs. As you can see, it's quite beautiful. So if you want to own this building, let us know in the comment section. And also you can reach us on information down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Cynthia, and I will see you next time.